वेलकम टू पी एजुकुल डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म। आइए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज करते हैं जिसमें हम 2.5 का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन करेंगे। व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? ट्रांसफॉर्म द गिवन मैट्रिक्स इनटू एन अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बाय सुटेबल रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। तो रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के प्रॉपर्टीज हमने पिछले वाले वीडियो में देखे हैं, तो आइए चलते हैं ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। इसमें से हम फिर से एक बार इसके कंसेप्ट रिवाइज कर देंगे। अपर ट्रायंगुलर मतलब हमें क्या करना है? अपर ट्रायंगुलर मतलब ये एलिमेंट्स जीरो करने हैं, दिस वन, दिस वन, this one, and this should be 1. So this is already 1, but then while doing this all elements we need to check the elements itself. So first I'll check the example. 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 3, 3 2 4. So now I'll let this matrix as A. So this is my matrix A, and now I am going to change it into upper triangular. Upper triangular means what? These three elements will be 0 and this will be as it is. Whatever the changes will happen. So now first I wanted to change this 2 as 0. So what I will do it? I'll do the transformation as R2 will change as R2 minus 2 times R1. ठीक है? Then R3 will change as R3 minus 3 times R1. I am going to change it with this, using this 1. Okay. So my elements will be, so my A will be now R1 is not going to change it. So I'll write the elements of R1 as it is, and R2 कैसे होगा अभी? 2 minus 2 into 1. I'll write it here for R2, the calculations. 2 minus 2 into 1. So this will be 2 minus 2, 0. This is the first element I have written. So this will be 0. Now 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So this will be 1 plus 2. The element will be 3 over here. And the next is 3 minus 2 into 2. So this will be 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. Okay. Now I will do the, I'll show you the calculation for R3. R3 is what? R3 minus. So 3 minus 3 times 1. So this will be 3 minus 3, 0. So here I'll get the element 0. Now this 2 minus 3 times 1. So again I'll get the element as 2 minus 3, which is, so this will be 2 minus minus. So this is minus and then this will be plus. So 2 plus 3, this will be 5. And the last element 4 minus 3 times 2. So this will be 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. Okay. So my elements are like this. Now I need to change this element as 1. I need to change this element as 1. So I will do 1 by 3 R3. By 1 by 3 R2 will get the elements as A is equal to 1 minus 1 2. R1 will be as it is. R3 will be also as it is. First you write this all and then go for calculation of this. So 0 upon 3 will be 0, 3 upon 3 will be 1, and here it will be minus 1 by 3. See, when we are changing to upper triangular or lower triangular, this should be 1. So we are changing this as like this. And now I have to change only this element as 0. This element I need to change it as 0. So just I will erase certain things so that I can write it here only, and this is not needed actually. This is only for our practice. This even if you don't write during the exam, that is also okay. Even if you don't write this transformation, yes, you need to write. Now the next transformation I'll write and I'll do the calculation. Okay. So now I will show you the next calculations. ये हमने यहाँ पे कर दिया. अब मेरा थर्ड मूवमेंट क्या होगा? By R3. Now my R3 I'm going to change it as R3 minus 5 times R2. See, here 5 is there. So my motto is I should get 0 over there. So this is the way I'll get it 0, and that's why I'm doing this transformation. So that I'll do it. So again my R1 and R3 is not going to change it. So those I'll write it as it is. It is always better that you will write these elements first and then you go for the calculation. So now 0 minus 5 times 0. So this will be 0 only. 5 minus 5 times 1. So this will be 0. And this is, just I will show you the calculation. Just what it is, see, minus 2 minus 5 into minus 1 by 3. So this will be minus 2 plus 5 by 3, which is minus 6 plus 5 by 3, like minus 6 plus 5 divided by altogether 3. Okay. So this will be minus 1 by 3. Again. So that is my final answer. So this is my final answer. This is my upper triangular matrix. So I will write it here. This is an upper triangular matrix. Okay, so this is how we have solved the second question of exercise 2.5. Be with us on PH platform for the subjects of commerce for accountancy, economics, SP, OC and of course maths. So now we will learn the very important concept of the matrix, that is inverse of matrix. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बोला कि integers में या फिर rational numbers में when we do the multiplication and when we get the answer as 1, we call them the numbers, we call them as multiplicative inverses of each other. Correct? तो यहाँ पे भी हमें matrix का भी पता है. So this method can be directly used for finding the inverse. But there are two different methods of finding the inverse. So for understanding this method, adjoint method, we need to know how to find out minor and cofactor. So what is the definition? Minor of an element Aij of a matrix is the determinant obtained by ignoring ith row and jth column in which the element Aij lies. And then minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. Now I have specifically kept the space over here so that I can explain you with the examples. So let me take the example over here. I'll just take one simple example. Okay, I'll take from my own way. Suppose this is my matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay, and I want to find out minors for this. Now first of all you should keep in mind that every element will have minors. Okay, so if I try to write the what you can say the matrix of minors, it will be like this: M11, so this will be M21 and then M22. So every element will have the minors. And now let us revise the definition once again. Matrix minor of an element Aij of a matrix is the determinant obtained by ignoring ith row and jth column in which the element Aij lies. Now this is my A11, okay, this is my A11, and what they are saying, ignore this, ignore ith row. Ith row means what? In which row this element lies. Then jth column means what? In which column it lies. And then what is the minor over here? That element. So now for 1 the minor will be 5. Okay. Now for 2, that is M12, for this element we are ignoring this row and this column. Now this column. So my minor will be 3 over here. Then for M21, I'll erase these lines. So simply what you can say that for matrix of 2 by 2 order, diagonally opposite elements are minors of each other. Simple trick. What I am saying? Diagonally opposite elements are minors for the matrix of 2 by 2 order. So here for 1 the minor is 5. For minus 2 the minor is 3. For 3 the minor is -2 and for 5 the minor is 1. Okay, so it is very simple for 2 by 2 matrix. आइए चलते हैं 3 by 3 का एक एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस कर लेते हैं जिसमें 9 एलिमेंट्स होंगे, 9 माइनस होंगे. तो ये मैं एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ 2 - 1 0 3 4 5 and then 6 - 2 1. Now you must be thinking there is a word determinant over here written, and I have not used determinant concept for 2 by 2 matrix because whenever it is a 2 by 2 matrix we do not get any determinant over here. But when we talk about the matrix of order 3 by 3, definitely we will be going to get the determinant. How? I'll just tell you. Now suppose I wanted to find out a matrix for my this element A11. This is my A11. So I'll be ignoring this column and this row. So whatever for A11, my M11 will be the determinant of remaining values. So 4, 5, -2 and 1, and then 4 ones are 4 minus 5 twos are 10. So here my minor will be 14. Okay, now for the second element A12, my minor is nothing but M12. So I'll be ignoring this row and this column. So if I ignoring this column, I'll be getting the elements as 3, 5, 6 and 1, and then my minor's value will be like this, -27. So this is my value of this. Now suppose I wanted to calculate it for 5, this 5, this. Suppose say this is the position of 823. So how will I get it? I'll just erase this. Suppose I wanted to find out the value, this M23 for this element. So what I am going to do is I am going to ignore the element, I am going to ignore the column in which this lies. So I'll be ignoring this, and the remaining values, which are the remaining values now? 2 - 1, 6 and -2. These I will put it into the determinant. I'll find out the value of this. So now just see, -4 plus 6, the value will be +2. So it's a question of practice. Some of you might be thinking that this is quite difficult or something like that, but it's not. It's a question of doing the practice, nothing else. Okay, so this is how we will get the values of minus. Now we will go for actual solving the next type. Then the next is cofactor. I hope everybody is clear with the concept of minus. Minus, everybody is clear. When we will do the practice, definitely we will come over on the phobia of solving it. So let's see the next concept, that is a cofactor. Cofactor of an element Aij is given by, now here they are using the letter A, but I am going to use the letter C. See, minors we will be using the letter M, capital M, or you can use small m also. Then for cofactors we will be using the letter capital C or small c, and then for adjoint we will be using the letter A. So actually it is very simple to remember, that's why I am using that same particular letter. Adjoint का A, cofactor का C and minor का M. अब cofactors कैसे निकालने हैं? Once you calculate the minus, then your cofactors, that is Cij, will be -1 raised to I plus j into M11. ये थोड़ा सा मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है पर है नहीं, बहुत ही आसान है. So this is what the cofactor is. So let us do the cofactor of this. Whatever elements we have written, 1, -2, 3, 5. I'll do that. See, my matrix is, I'll use black pen. My matrix is 1, -2, 3 and 5. Okay. So my minus M11 is what? M11 is 5, M12 is 3, M21 is -2, and M22 is 1. It's exactly like this. This and this are minus of each other, this and this are minus of each other. Now C11 will be what? -1 raised to I plus j into M11. So this will be -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into 5. So it's as good as, it depends upon the power. So if the power is positive, then the number will be positive. So this will be +5. C12 now, that is -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into this 3. So this will be -1 raised to 3 into 3. So now this will be negative because this power is odd. Now the next is C21, -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into -2. Now -1 raised to 3 and again -2. Now this will also be negative, this also negative. So my value will be positive. And then C22, -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into 1. So this will be -1 raised to 4 into 1. So this will be +1. And then my cofactors matrix will be like this: 5, -3, 2 and 1. This is a matrix of cofactors. Okay, so this is very simple. In 2.5 we have different examples on this, and these concepts we are needing for solving the adjoint method matrix inverse. So now let's see the inverse of a matrix is adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint of a matrix is defined as the transpose of cofactor matrix of A. अब यहाँ पे देखो, ये हमने कोफैक्टर का मैट्रिक्स लिख दिया है यहाँ पे. इसका ट्रांसपोज मतलब क्या? दिस इज R1, दिस इज R2. This R1 will become C1. So my Aij will be what now? 5 minus 3 to 1. So this is my adjoint matrix. This is my adjoint matrix. So एक बार फिर से डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखो, A is a square matrix of order 3. 3 means 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. Then the matrix of its cofactors is, suppose this is cofactors matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and the required adjoint is transpose of this. So this row will become column now. So this A11 will be as it is, A12 will be here, A13 will be here. Okay, this is wrong over here. This should be A12 and this should be A13. Then A21, A22, A23, this should be A23, and then this should be A31, A32, and then A33. This is correct. Okay, so this is how we are changing the rows and columns, and we are getting the transpose of it, and that is nothing but adjoint of A. Now why do we need all this? Because we are finding the inverse of this. So here A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Okay, तो ये determinant of A अगर 0 नहीं आया, then only we can find out first of all the inverse. Okay, तो आइए चलते हैं exercise 2.5 के questions कर लेते हैं. So आइए चलते हैं exercise 2.5 का first question करेंगे. So what is the question? Find the cofactor of the following matrices. इसके cofactor निकालने हैं. तो first I'll write this matrix as A, and then this is A11, A12, A21 and A22. ओके, अब ये इसके माइनर्स में डायरेक्ट लिखूंगी. तो A11 मतलब minor of this one will be -8. So directly I'll write M11 is -8, M12 is 5, M21 is 2 and M22 is 1. So now we will do the cofactors of this. So what is a cofactor? That is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into minus 8. So this will be 1 into minus 8, which is minus 8. Then C12 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into C12 का वैल्यू क्या है अभी यहाँ पे 5, that is M12 is 5. So this will be minus 1 raised to 3 into 5. So this will be minus 5. Then C21 will be minus 1 raised to 3 into 2. So this will be minus 2. And then the last but not the least, minus 1, 2 plus 2 into 1. So this will be minus 1 raised to 4 into 1. So this is plus 1. Okay. So this is the cofactors. So I'll write it here. Cij matrix will be what? Minus 8, minus 5, minus 2, plus 1. So these are the values for Cij. Now we will do the next sub question. This is the sub question. 587 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 587 minus 1 minus 2 1, and then minus 2 1 and 1. So now we will do the first minors. Okay. So first I'll find out the minor M11. Now how I will do? I'll neglect this row and this column. So this I'll get it as minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Immediately I'll calculate here C11, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 3. So this will be minus 3. Okay. Now M12. M12 will be what now? I am going to neglect this row and this column. So this will be minus 1, 1, minus 2, 1. So this will be plus 1. So this will be minus 1. Okay. Now the next is M13. For this element now I am calculating. So I will be neglecting this column only. See, for the first 3 elements you will be neglecting the first row, and one by one you will be neglecting the common column. So here it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 and 1. So that will be minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. Now C13 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into minus 5. So this will be minus 5 because this power will be positive. See, whenever the powers are positive, no need to think about the signs. Whenever they are odd, then only you need to think about the sign. So this is all about the first row. Now the second row, that is M21. M21, I will be neglecting now this row. Okay, this row, and then first column. So I will be getting the elements as 8, 7, 1 and 1. So my value will be 1, and my C21, and then my C21 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into this 1. So this will be minus 1. Okay. Now I'll do it for the next. Now this is M21 is done. Now M22 I have to do it. Okay. So I'll do it M22. My M22 will be neglecting those elements. I'll get it as 5, 7, minus 2, 1, which I'll be getting 5 minus 14, which is 19. And then my C22 will be what? Minus 1 raised to 4 into 19. So that will be plus 19 only. Then M23, the elements will be 5, 8, minus 2, 1. and then this will be 5 minus 16, that is 21. Now C2 3 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into 21. 2 plus 3 will be minus 1. So this will be minus 21. Now the next is M31. M31, what elements I'll be getting? 8 minus 2, 7, 1. So this will be 8 minus 14. So this will be 22. And then C31 will be minus 1 raised to 4 into 22, which will be 22 itself. Now M32 will be 5 minus 1, 7 and 1. So this will be again the same, 5 plus 7, that is 12. So C32 will be minus 1 raised to 5 into 12. So this will be minus 12. Now the last, that is M33 will be 5, 8 minus 1 minus 2. So this will be minus 10 plus 8, which is minus 2. And then C33 will be minus 1 raised to 6 into minus 2, which will be minus 2. Okay. So now my cofactor matrix will be, I'll write it here on this. So my final answer, I'll write it here. Cofactor matrix, which I am writing as Cij, will be, I'll write all the elements now, minus, so this will be minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Then the next is minus 1, 19, minus 21, then 22, minus 12 and minus 2. This is all together I have written all the cofactors. That's it. सारे cofactors मैंने एक जगह पे लिख दिए जो हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किए थे. These all cofactors I have written at per their position. That's it. ये मैंने हर एक का पोजीशन पे लिख दिया. So we have done up to the examples of cofactors. Be with us on PEducul digital platform. एंड आपको कोई भी डाउट्स हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो, तो आप अपनी क्वेरी या आपके डाउट्स हमारे नीचे दिए हुए स्क्रॉल हुए फ़ोन नंबर्स पे भेज सकते हो या फिर आप हमें ईमेल कर सकते हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.